Hi there, it's Albert Luck here from luckymaths.co.uk, bringing you multiplication 5, the last one for the multiplication videos. This is the standard you need to be at really to be ready for the GCSE foundation level. So 253 lots of 42. Going to work through again. 42 doubles to make 84, which doubles to make 168. Which doubles to make 336. But that is the hard bit, as I keep saying, with this particular structure. That's done, because then 10 lots will be 420. 20 lots becomes 840. 1,680. I'm basically writing the numbers below 1, 2, 4, 8 with a 0 on at the minute because they are 10 times bigger. And now, if I take the 10 and the 20 lots and multiply those by 10, 4,200, 8,400, because I want to make 253 lots of 42. So I'm interested in the 200 lots. I'm going to be interested in 40 and 10 because they add to make 50. Okay, so 250 and then 3 units. So that is the 2 and the 1, meaning some of these are not actually used in the final answer, which is fine. Okay, but basically there are still 5 components to add together. I did mention in the last video whether you want to take a slightly shortcut and add a couple together. So like you might want to say, oh, okay, 84, 42, okay, that's 126. That might at least save you a little bit of work possibly in the final part. But how you do that, you can add the numbers up obviously all together like I'm doing, break them down. Okay, so we've got 6, 12, 15, 16. So currently I'm making the answer 10,626. So again, to show you a variation of that, 42 doubles to make 84. But then what I've done is I've gone straight to 10 lots, 420, and then upscaled that to 4,200. Just going to double that and get the 200 lots locked in. 50 lots. You may have seen previous videos where I mentioned if you half the 100, so in this case 4,200 halves to make 2,100. So that is 50 lots of 42 right there. And so when you're trying to put together 253 lots, it just maybe helps you, not have to do as much work ultimately. I've only got 6 numbers in the table. Okay, started with 10 on example 1. So it's reducing the workload slightly maybe. Okay, but we'll look at it the other way, where we're going to do 42 lots of 253. And again, when you choose to use the big number, you're straight away having to really think about the doubling, because you're going to straight to get into, like, here we go, we're already in 1,012 straight away. 1,012 will double to make 2,024, which becomes 4,048, and then 8,096. 42 lots, I would take the 32 lots, add it to the 8 lots, because that's the 40 bit, 42. So I'd add together those 3 components to get 10,626. But you could slightly shortcut that. So we double first of all, we double that one again. 40 lots of 253 will be 10,120. So already with this example, I've got 42 by adding together 506 to the 10,120. And just a slightly an alternative way again, if you start doubling there, but if we then take the 506 and times by 10, and then double that to get 40 lots. That's where the 10,120 comes from. So again, 42 lots, slightly different way, but ultimately adding the same values in the end. So again, all good ways to approach this question. You just have to pick one of them ultimately and understand it and do it your way. So thanks for watching.